Hello guys, now I am going to start a new Python tutorial which will take you from beginner to pro. In this course I will cover everything about Python. It's everything from beginner to pro that you need to know about Python. This will include everything from object oriented, typecasting and multi-threading and many other things about Python. So before we start the video, I want to give you the quick introduction about Python programming language. So Python programming language is a general purpose programming language, which means it can be used in various fields, and it is also dynamically typed, which means you can declare a variable without specifying its type. The type will be checked at the runtime and assigned to it. Python is also an object-oriented programming language. It has rich modules which will make you easier while programming. And Python was initially created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and after that the Python Foundation has been maintaining it. So the general uses of Python are web application. Uh, it is used in web application by using different framework. The popular one are Django and Flask. People also use Web2Py and CherryPy. It can be also used to develop desktop app. It is also used to develop games using modules which is PyCharm. The popularity of Python rose in data science and ML because it is built in, not built in, but it is library that will help you to get this, and it is also used for artificial intelligence. So this is our introduction to Python. So in next video I am going to start about Python programming language. So if you want to install Python, check out my previous video. uh, what it will do, it will install Python, and also it will install our IDLE, which is a development environment. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you guys, see you in next videos.